So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to replace window switch on Ford Kuga 2021. I believe this one was 2020. So yeah, I have this one. This one is quite in good condition. So let me show you. So plastic tool starts somewhere around here, I believe. So yeah, like that. So that's the best way to start. A little over here, as you can hear the click, and the last one should be somewhere over here, I believe. But basically you just pull it up from this side. But yeah, always use plastic tool. You don't want to break anything because parts for this kind of expensive. So here you can see. So it sits like this. So we have this one over here. Smaller goes in this hole, the bigger one goes in this one, and from this side we have this and three more over here. So you unplug the plug, and if you want to just change the switches, you have this screw over here. That's one, and these two, I believe. Yeah, so these three screws you just need to take out. So once you've done that, so change it. It goes first from this side, as it was the side that you took the last. So you click it in, and over here it's a little bit harder. So I believe you need to just pull it a little bit down. So like, because you can see this over here, and the clip, I'm not sure if you're gonna see, but it just has to go a little bit inside, so it does click down. You need just to pull it a little bit like this. So I hope this will help you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. It will help grow the channel. So as I showed before, start somewhere over here where this button is, because here is that one pin, another one is there, and somewhere around over here. So, and the last one like that, and it goes out pretty much. Not really hard, more easier than on Focus, to be honest. So yeah, if you have anything else that you want me to show on the channel, yeah, write in comments, and if I can do it, I will do it, or on some later date. So that's about that. Thank you for watching, and see you next one.